Large numbers. Introducing large numbers. Let us learn about 7-digit numbers. The cost of a house in Nagpur is this. This number is a 7-digit number. We know that the largest 6-digit number is this. If we add 1 to this number, we will get the smallest 7-digit number, that is 10 lakh. 10 lakh is represented in short as TL in the place value chart. We represent this number in the place value chart like this. In figures we write this number like this. And in words we read this number as 72,05,860. 8-digit numbers. The largest 7-digit number is this. If we add 1 to this number, we will get the smallest 8-digit number, that is 1 crore. Crore is represented in short as C in the place value chart. Let us represent this 8-digit number in the place value chart. In figures, we write this number in this way, and in words it is read as 5,45,07,590. Face value and place value. Let us find the place value of the digits in this number. As we move from right to left, the place value of the digit keeps on increasing by multiples of 10. For example, let us find the place value and face value of 6 in this number. 6 is in the 10 lakh place. Its place value is 6 multiplied by 10 lakh equals to 60 lakh. The face value of 6 will be 6. Expanded form and standard form. Expanded form is a way to express a number as the sum of the place values of its digits. For example, this number has 1 crores, 62 lakhs, 53 thousands, 5 hundreds, 4 tens, and 8 ones. The number can be written in expanded form as 1 crores plus 60 lakhs plus 2 lakh plus 50 thousands plus 3 thousands plus 5 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 8 ones. The standard form of this number is the number itself. Indian and International System of Numeration. In the Indian system of numeration, we organize numbers into groups like crores, lakhs, thousands, and ones. To separate the digits in these groups, we use commas. These groups are called periods. For example, let us write this number in the Indian system of numeration. Place the number in the place value chart. According to the Indian system of numeration, starting from the extreme right, we put commas after ones, thousands. Thus, the number is represented like this. Some countries use the International System of Numeration. In this system, every period has 3 columns of places in the place value chart. For example, let us write this number in the International System of Numeration. Place the number in the place value chart. According to the International System of Numeration, starting from the extreme right, we put commas after every 3 columns of places. Thus, the number is represented like this. In figure, the number is written like this, and it is read as 7,894,561. Let us see the difference between Indian system of numeration and the International System of Numeration. In the Indian system, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. In the International System, In the Indian system, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million in the international system. Indian system, 1 crore is equal to 10 million in international system. Comparing and ordering numbers. Comparing numbers. There are two rules for comparison between numbers. Rule 1. If the number of digits is different, the number with more digits is the greater one. For example, compare these two numbers. This number is a 7-digit number and this number is an 8-digit number. So, this number is less than this number. Rule 2. If the number of digits is the same, then we start comparing the numbers from the leftmost place. We compare digits until we find two different digits. Compare the different digits to decide the greater or smaller number. Compare these two numbers. The total number of digits in both numbers is the same. As 4 crore is greater than 3 crores. So this number is greater than this number. Ordering numbers. Arranging numbers from the smallest to the largest number is called ascending order. For example, let us arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Step 1. Check if the number of digits is the same in all the numbers. We can see that these numbers are 8-digit numbers and this one is a 7-digit number. Thus, this number is the smallest one. Step 2. Compare the digits at the crore place of the remaining numbers. As 3 is smaller than 6 is smaller than 7. The numbers will be arranged in ascending order like this. Arranging numbers from the largest to the smallest number is called descending order. If we arrange the same numbers in the descending order, we get them as shown here. Forming 7-digit and 8-digit numbers. To form the largest number using a given set of digits, we arrange the digits in a way that the largest digit comes first, followed by the next largest, and so on. For example, if we have to form the largest number using these digits, then it will be this number. To form the smallest number using a given set of digits, we arrange the digits in ascending order. For example, if we have to form the smallest number using these digits, then it will be this number. Roman numerals. Roman numerals have their roots in ancient Rome and are built upon 7 symbols I, V, X, L, C, D, and M, which respectively represent 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. In the Roman system, the number 3 is written like this, and the number 7 is written like this. Rules for writing in Roman numbers. Rule 1. Roman I, X, C, and M cannot be repeated more than 3 times. For example, look here. Rule 2. V, L, and D are the Roman numbers that cannot be repeated and subtracted. Rule 3. When the smaller Roman number is written in front of the larger one, then it will get added. For example, look here. Rule 4. When a Roman numeral of a smaller value is written to the left of the larger one, then it is subtracted. For example, look here. Let us write the number 798 in Roman numeral. Operations on Roman numerals. Let us understand adding Roman numerals. Find the sum of these two numbers. We break these Roman numbers in this way. We add the numbers in this manner and convert the sum into Roman numeral. Let us understand subtracting Roman numbers. Solve these two Roman numerals. We break these Roman numbers in this way. We subtract the numbers in this manner and convert the difference into Roman numeral.